Hi there, my name is Amy Jenkins. I am a teacher for Challenge to Change Yoga in the Schools program. We understand that we are going through a lot of uncertainty in our country right now, and this next month is going to be full of a lot of unknowns. So we have decided to provide your whole family with yoga and mindfulness techniques to help you navigate this next month. We're going to do a video each day, each weekday, and these videos will be tailored to different members of your family each day. So one day we will target kids, another will be adults, teens, and toddlers. So we are really excited for you each to have different yoga practices, but also, if you'd like, these should work for the whole family so everybody can do them together. These lessons will be located on this YouTube channel. We also have additional content on our Teachable channel or on our Teachable website, which is located, the address is located in our comment section here. You will also be able to find updates on our Facebook page, so please check that out as well. So today I would like to start this month of videos with a few different techniques to help us bring about mindfulness into our lives. These are designed to help calm anxiety, stress, and so much more. So we'll be going through 3 techniques today, and if you have joined us in our Yoga in the Schools program, you might recognize a few of them, but this is a really great review for you. So the first technique we will be doing is called finger breathing. And what I would like you to do is hold up the hand that you write with, the pointer finger in that hand, so your dominant hand, and then hold up your non-dominant hands, the hand that you do not write with. We are going to trace our hand with our breath. So please take your pointer finger to the base of your thumb and inhale through your nose, trace up your thumb. As you exhale, trace in and down. Breathe in, trace up your pointer. Breathe out as you go down. Maybe this time you choose to look at your hand as you breathe in and out. Or you can even close your eyes, breathe in and out. One more time, in and out. It's especially important when we are focusing on our breath to breathe as slowly as possible. This helps slow down our stress and our anxiety. Also, when you get to the end of your hand, if you feel like you need to breathe a little bit more, if you still feel like you have room to calm down, please, by all means, do it over and over again until you feel the calming effects that you desire. The second technique we would like to work on today is called anchor breathing. So anchor breathing is our way of connecting ourselves to our breath. And so this might consist of you putting your hand on your body somewhere that helps remind you of your breath. So your first option would be to put both hands on your heart. So I want you to go ahead and sit up tall so we can get lots of air into our bodies. Close your eyes, take a nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Do that one more time, breathe in and out, and just notice how that feels. Now go ahead and open your eyes. Place both hands on your stomach. Once again, sit up tall, close your eyes, and notice how it feels as you breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. With your next inhale, press your stomach into your hands. As you exhale, your hands gently press into your stomach. Wonderful. Open your eyes. Another option would be to do one of each. So one hand on your heart, one hand on your stomach. So let's try that one as well. Go ahead and sit up tall, close your eyes, breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. One more time, breathe in and out. And I would like to give you one final option. So go ahead and try putting both hands just in your lap. And once again, sitting up tall, closing your eyes, and breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Breathe in and out. Now go ahead and open your eyes and take a second to think about which version worked best for you. Which version might have calmed you down the most? Maybe it's both of your hands on your heart, both on your stomach, one on each, or both hands in your lap. And so go ahead and place your hands wherever they felt best for you. I'm going to do mine here, but you can go wherever. And we're going to breathe, but as we breathe this time, we are going to add something called a mantra. A mantra is a positive I am statement. And we start with I am and put something you would like to become, something you would like to believe about yourself, or maybe something you already believe about yourself. So an example might be I am calm, or I am safe, I am trying, I am enough, whatever you feel like you need to hear right now. So you can use any of my examples or something you feel that you need. So once again, go ahead and sit up tall, put your hands on your anchor, close your eyes, and as you breathe in, think I am. And as you breathe out, think your word. Breathe in, I am. Breathe out your word. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in, I am. Breathe out your word. Wonderful job. Open your eyes. Go ahead and put your hands back down. And this mantra and this anchor breath can be used together. They can be used separately as well. And you can repeat those over and over and over again. Anything you need to hear. Just remember to do something positive, because the more we tell ourselves something, it actually changes how our brains work and we start to believe it over time. The last mindfulness technique I'd like to talk about today is utilizing our senses. So sometimes we get caught up in this crazy world of ours, and we start hearing things, we start seeing things on social media, we start hearing rumors about things, and our minds just start to wander, and we just get trapped in all of this chaos. Or maybe we start to think different things about ourselves that we kind of need to calm down. Because when we are trapped in the future, that brings a lot of anxiety. But sometimes when we're trapped in the past, it brings on depression and what ifs. So it's really important to bring yourself back to the present moment over and over and over again, to ground yourself. And so with our 5 senses, we can do that. So thinking about sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. A really fun activity is to just look around and notice 5 things that you can see. So right now I'm looking around and I see my phone in front of me acting as a camera. I look down and I see my yoga mat. I look behind me and I see a plant. So maybe take a second to look around the space that you're sitting in right now and to notice some things you see. You can even pause this video and take some time to do the activity. Now, the sense of hearing sometimes can be a little tricky, but a lot of times you might be able to hear cars passing by on the street. You might hear noises from your house, from the furnace, the air conditioner, just little creaks. You might hear yourself moving or breathing. So take some time to notice, what do you hear? And then touch. Let's think about the sense of touch. That one, there are a lot of things around that you can touch. Maybe what the surface of your floor is. Maybe it's hard. Maybe it's carpeted. Maybe you take a second to just notice the texture of whatever you're touching. Maybe you feel your clothes or your skin. So take a few moments to just notice what you can feel around you. And then when you're ready, go ahead and switch over to your sense of smell. Maybe you smell essential oils being diffused in your space. Or maybe someone has just cooked something that you can smell floating through the air. Maybe you spend some time in nature and notice the smells you smell out there. Maybe you smell your laundry detergent on your clothes. There are a lot of different options, so feel free to take some time to notice your sense of smell. And lastly, your sense of taste. This one might be a little tricky if you don't have something you can eat right next to you. But if you can't, maybe you just swallow and notice what's going on in your mouth. Or maybe you imagine tasting something like a lemon. Think about how sour that lemon might be. Think about what might happen to your face as you taste that lemon. And go ahead and just continue with your imagination. So I encourage you, next time you feel yourself being pulled in many different directions, your mind is scattered, take a few moments to notice what you see, what you hear, what you can feel, what you smell, and what you taste. So we are working on putting our schedule together for our weekday videos for the next month. And so the best place to keep informed with that is our Facebook page. But we will probably have some things listed in the comments to this video as well once we have them up. Just know that we will have videos for everyone, and they will rotate throughout the week. We are really excited to grow with you over this next month and to provide you with some tools to hopefully help you get through it in a calmer, more clear-minded way.